Use this channel to upskill your expertise in Microsoft Excel, Word or PowerPoint. Do subscribe if not done already.
In the last lesson, we discussed about working with subtotals in pivot tables. In the process, we also discussed how to show or hide subtotals and grand totals from pivot table reports. Now, in this lesson, let us learn how to remove subtotals from a data list in a worksheet and also from a pivot table. As you can see on this worksheet, we have three levels of subtotals at region, country and product. You also see the grouping outline on the left of the row headers. Now to remove all the subtotals, select a cell within this data range, go to the data tab, click on subtotal under the outline menu group. On the resulting subtotal dialog box, click on remove all button. This not only removes all the subtotals but also the outline and any page break that you would have inserted into the list while working with subtotals. Next, let's see how to remove the subtotals from pivot tables. We have a pivot table here on this worksheet displaying the region-wise, country-wise and product-wise sum of units sold, gross sales and discounts. To remove the subtotals from the pivot table, select an item of a row or column field of the pivot table and then go to the Analyze tab under Pivot Table Tools. Now click on Field Settings under Active Field menu group. On the Field Settings dialog box under Subtotals and Filters, you will see three options for subtotals. Select the second option, that is None, to remove all the subtotals for the row and column fields and then click OK. This will remove all the subtotals from the pivot table reports. Make sure you select an item of a row or column field and not a value when you click on Field Settings under Active Field menu group. This is all about removing subtotals from a list of data in a worksheet and also from a pivot table.